Tammy Slaton, one half of TLC's most talked about sister duo from 1000 lb Sisters, is once again the center of a media storm, this time due to the graphic and emotional aftermath of her long-awaited skin removal surgery. After shedding hundreds of pounds in the last couple of years, fans knew this moment was coming, but nothing could prepare them for the shocking reality captured in newly released post-surgical images. The raw, unfiltered photos, which recently surfaced online and on the show's newest episodes, have sparked a tidal wave of reactions, from awe to concern, as supporters and critics alike come to terms with just how far Tammy has come, and what she's endured in pursuit of health, freedom, and a new identity. The surgery, which many bariatric patients undergo following extreme weight loss, is not cosmetic, it's a necessary medical procedure aimed at removing loose, sagging skin that can lead to infections, mobility issues, and deep emotional distress. For Tammy, the journey wasn't just about getting her body smaller, it was about reclaiming her life from a cocoon that had once held her back in more ways than one. Viewers who have followed her from the days she struggled to even walk on her own to now being strong enough to undergo hours of intense IF surgery have witnessed a transformation, both physical and spiritual. But with triumph has come trauma, and the visuals from her post-op journey lay bare just how grueling that road has been. The recently released images, both from the hospital and her home recovery, show Tammy's body heavily bandaged, with visible incisions running across her abdomen, arms, and thighs. The most jarring of the pictures show drains attached to various parts of her body, a standard but unsettling aspect of skin removal surgery. Fans who saw the pictures on social media and in previews for the upcoming 1000 lb Sisters episodes expressed a range of emotions. Some hailed her bravery, calling her an inspiration and a beacon of strength, while others couldn't hide their shock at the physical toll it's taken. "I knew she was strong, but seeing those pictures just shows the pain she's willing to go through to finally be free," one fan wrote on Reddit. Another simply posted, "I wasn't ready for that. It's real, it's raw, but it's also beautiful in its own way." For Tammy, who has been transparent about her fears of going under the knife, the surgery marked the ultimate test. Doctors were concerned not just about the surgery itself but about complications due to her history of respiratory issues and other health problems. However, her medical team, led by a renowned skin removal specialist, reportedly worked tirelessly to ensure the safest possible outcome. According to sources close to production, the surgery lasted nearly 6 hours and involved the removal of over 30 pounds of excess skin. The surgeon reportedly praised Tammy's endurance, noting that her body handled the procedure better than expected due to the preparatory work she'd done in the months prior, including strict dieting, physical therapy, and mental health sessions. That mental preparation was crucial, insiders say, because skin removal surgery isn't just physically painful, it's emotionally brutal. Many patients are unprepared for what they look like post-surgery, especially when confronting their new bodies covered in fresh scars and bruises. Tammy reportedly had moments of doubt in the recovery room, breaking down in tears upon seeing herself in the mirror for the first time. "It's not pretty, it's not what you see on Instagram. It's raw and it's painful," she is heard saying in a voiceover for an upcoming episode teaser. "But it's me, it's the real me, and I'm finally okay showing the world." That vulnerability is part of what's always drawn viewers to Tammy. She's never pretended to be perfect. From her chaotic relationships to her battles with depression, substance use, and food addiction, she's laid it all bare for our cameras. And now, with this graphic surgical chapter, she's once again showing fans the uncomfortable, but necessary, parts of transformation. While some reality stars gloss over the ugly moments, Tammy, true to form, is allowing the world to see the blood, the stitches, and the scars. The unfiltered approach has earned her renewed respect from many longtime fans, who say she's helping destigmatize what massive weight loss recovery actually looks like. However, not all feedback has been positive. Critics online have accused TLC of exploiting Tammy's vulnerability for shock value. The close-up shots of her stitched-up torso, they argue, cross a line from documenting health journeys into full-blown sensationalism. "There's a difference between being real and being exploitative," one TikTok user commented. "Tammy deserves privacy too, and some of those shots didn't need to be aired." Others argued that the network is intentionally using her pain for ratings, pointing out that the most graphic images are being heavily promoted in previews and thumbnails. Whether this is exploitation or transparency is a debate that rages on, and one Tammy herself has not directly addressed, though she did repost several fan messages praising her courage. What's undeniable, though, is the transformation. Just 2 years ago, Tammy was nearly immobile, struggling to breathe, and frequently in and out of the hospital. Now, not only is she walking and participating in life again, but she is also facing her fears head-on, literally carving a new body from the shell she once lived in. Medical experts note that skin removal surgeries like the one Tammy underwent can take over a year to fully heal, with continued follow-up care, including physical therapy and sometimes additional revisions. Tammy has reportedly committed to sticking with her health plan post-op, saying she wants this to be the last major surgery of her life. Meanwhile, the pictures keep circulating, graphic, shocking, and deeply human. They've sparked headlines, discussion, and for some, uncomfortable truths. Because Tammy's story isn't just about extreme weight loss or surgery, it's about the emotional and physical cost of change. For every pound lost, there are battle scars, both visible and invisible. Her latest chapter, documented so vividly, may just be the most powerful reminder yet that real transformation doesn't come filtered, it comes raw, bloody, and fought for with everything you've got. In upcoming episodes, fans will see more of Tammy's healing process, her physical struggles, emotional breakdowns, and moments of victory. Teasers suggest she will sit down with her family for a raw conversation about the pain, the trauma, and what she wants for her future now that her body is no longer holding her hostage. While the surgery is over, the recovery is ongoing, and so is Tammy's evolution. Her fans are watching with bated breath, hoping this latest milestone marks not just survival, but true rebirth. Whether you see the graphic images as too much or as a brave confrontation of reality, one thing is certain. Tammy Slaton is no longer hiding. She stepped into a version of herself that demands to be seen, scars and all. And for millions watching at home, that kind of honesty might be exactly what they need to see to believe that change, no matter how brutal, is possible. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.